Now, let's learn how to add the duration, like the percentage. So now if you want to indicate like how much percentage of a particular task has been completed. So now, for example, I am halfway done in creating my video script and I want it to be reflected in the Gantt chart. Now there are two ways that this can be done. One is to right click on the task, go to task property, go to progress, and then just type in whatever you want. You can type 50, or if you want to be careful, just type 50%. Click OK, and now you can see that there's a black line that indicates duration. Now you can also indicate duration manually. For example, here I'm going to set the video shooting for a few more days so that it is easier for you to see. Okay, now let's hover the mouse. You can see that the mouse sign is a hand. Move it to the start of the task until you see a black arrow and a small percentage. Now, just hold and press the right mouse button. And here you can just very intuitively set the task duration. So for example, this one is, let's say 35% completed. All right, and that is done.